Is it going, guys? So today my video is gonna be a little bit different. I am gonna be spending it with one of the people I care about the most in this planet, and that is my girlfriend Veronica. We're gonna go ice skating and then we're gonna go for dinner. She actually got a gift card for Christmas at Buffalo Wild Wings, so we're gonna go tear up some wings, or you know, whatever we're gonna tear up. So stay tuned. So I just stopped by Jitters and I picked up some hurricanes for me, my girlfriend, and her sister, so I'm gonna be heading that way. While I'm at this red light, I want to bring up the fact that today is a trashy day as far as the weather goes. Like, it is so windy outside, guys. Like, I just imagine, like, if I recorded outside, you guys would be able to hear the wind so much. So I actually been looking at some stuff as far as doing research. I've been looking at some micro muffs for my camera. For you guys that don't know, I have a G7X Mark II. I have been looking at stuff and I've been noticing that they do sell micro muffs, but technically they don't, because everywhere I look I'm not able to find them, or like they're from a different country, or you know, I found some from like, I don't even know where. It was like a different country, but they were charging like 40 bucks for like a tiny little piece for the camera. So today, since I am going to be up in the Tri-City area, I am going to try to look for some stuff that I can make my own, because I know I've seen videos as far as like how people make their own. Some people use 3M tape, some people use super glue. I don't think I probably won't use super glue, just because of the fact that it will leave like a mark on the camera after I take it off, if I ever do choose to. So probably I'll look for some like 3M tape or like some Velcro, and I'll get the stuff, show you guys where I get it. And then if you guys have the same camera, you know, and you guys have the same problem where you record outside but sometimes it's windy out and it kind of ruins your video. So I'll get to you guys when I get to the store and start looking at some stuff for the microphone. Alright guys, I'm not trying to complain or anything, you know, like, I'm not this type of, look at the damn wind. Just look at that. Look how windy it is. I told you guys, I'm not even kidding. Like, if it's one thing I hate the most, like out of all weather, like it's the wind. Like, I freaking hate the wind so much. You have no idea. But alright, one thing I gotta complain, sorry Vero, I had to put you on blast. I freaking hate her driveway, guys. Like, the amount of potholes there is in this driveway is ridiculous. Like, oh my goodness, I freaking hate this driveway. Like, most of the times I come, I do not bring my car, but just because of the fact that we are gonna go on a date today, I did bring it. But yeah, trust me, I'll bring anything but this when I come most of the time. I just want to show you guys how windy it is. I'm pretty sure you guys will hear it right now. And I will post the aftermath, so you guys, obviously you guys can hear this, and then later you guys will hear how it sounds without, or with the micro muff. Hey!
Babe, I have
Hey!
Oh! No recording.
Oh, I forgot the eyelash in the car. Oh, dang, it's in the back. Forgot the reason I came. Just kidding. That's her eyelash. I ripped it off. Now she's gonna super glue it back on.
Wait, no, I have an eyelash on.
Here, babe. Alright, babe. Let me see the outfit. Woo! Damn! With the Michael Kors.
Oh yes, I'm taking this bad boy out tonight.
Yeah, she got that for her birthday. She is finally ready. 2 hours later, Just kidding.
Hold on, let me put it.
Hey, if you guys want to check out my little soccer girl, look, there she is. Hey, Messi. 5 p.m. More like 5 a.m. Are you ready? So we are gonna head out right now. We're gonna go to Tri-Cities in the Subi, so stay tuned, y'all. So we just got here. We just got the skates. She had to get men's size because they did not have women's size in her size. So she got a 5. She's a size 8 in women, but yeah.
I ordered a 7.
Are you good?
Oh, hold on. Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna try mine on and then we're gonna head in there. Evidently there's a way to tie these. This is the first time she's ever tied my shoes. Wow, what a gentleman. Gentle girl. Woman. I don't even know. Kid.
You guys, I think he finally got it.
Long ass laces.
I'm ready to ice skate. Ready? You guys, I came ice skating already for the first time the other day. So fun.
Guys, this is actually harder than it looks like just because like starting off, I need one of those.
What is it?
Give me that. For at least an hour. I'm gonna stop. Okay, look at me. Oh.
Babe.
All right, guys. Oh, dang.
Don't fall.
All right, we're probably 10 minutes in, and I just want to say that it is not that hard.
It's so fun.
It is so fun. I can feel it in my legs though, and my ankles. It's just like, ooh.
Babe.
Hey, she almost ate. Poop. Babe, you've done this before.
I know.
Whew.
This is honestly, you know what it is? It's because there's so many people here that they're messing up the floor.
What?
Excuses. All I hear is excuses.
I'm just like off the wall.
I could be in the Olympics for this already, you know? Look at that stance I got going. Woo! Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Where you at, bro? Keep up.
Oh gosh.
I'm just ready to eat shit right now. That's what I'm asking for, because I am 10 minutes in and I'm like pushing myself off the wall. Obviously I'm not that pro, but woo! You gotta work yourself off the wall. You got this. Get off the wall. Just keep the rhythm going. And then when you want to stop, just don't do that no more. Look at her go. Hey. Alright, so we just got done ice skating. It is still very windy. Look, I'll show you guys. Look at the trees, how bad they're moving. When I open my door, the door literally like flinged open, but good thing I grabbed it because there's someone parked next to me and that would have been super bad. But yeah, I grabbed the door and then, yeah, it didn't go any further, but it freaking flinged open. But yeah, right now we're gonna go catch a bite to eat. Overall, ice skating was really fun. So if you guys haven't tried it, try it out. I definitely recommend it. For sure, I did not fall once. So, you know, you gotta give me credit where credit is due. But yeah, it was really fun. I found it really similar to rollerblading. So if you guys ever rollerbladed, it's very similar to that. So for sure.
Fries in your mouth.
We're gonna feast. Let's just take a moment and thank Lord, I was blessed with an amazing hot girlfriend. Woo! Ha! Alright guys, Michael's did not have anything, Best Buy did not have anything. We had to go to Target for a gift for her nephew, so we're gonna head over there, and if they don't have anything, we're gonna go to Walmart, and if they don't have anything, then we're fucked. But yeah. Bad news, guys. We did not find anything as far as the microphone muffs or dead cats for this camera. I did go to Walmart, Target, Michael's, Best Buy, and I could not find anything. So what I'm gonna do now is do further research online to see if I can find something online. I'll for sure let you guys know as soon as I find something. I know some of you guys might have this camera, so you guys are looking for something, so for sure. Till next time, peace.